Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Emma, and today I'm going to show you how to make mutton with potato pilau. For the ingredients, I've got mutton, peeled and diced potatoes, chopped onions, chopped garlic, ginger that I've cut into small pieces, red chili pepper, which I like hot heat when I'm making my pilau, but it's optional. For my pilau spices, I've got cardamom, whole black pepper, cinnamon stick, cloves, and whole cumin, which I've now grinded and made a very fine powder, which is what I'll use for my pilau as the spices. To begin, I'm going to put the meat, garlic, and ginger. I'll then add some water. And then I just need to boil this until the meat is tender. I'm using a hot point. So just going to put the meat program, and now I can let my meat to start cooking. I'll place the lid on so that the pressure can now go on, and I will leave that to cook for about 5 minutes, and then I will come and check. My meat is now ready. As you can see, that has been cooking for 5 minutes, and it's now nice and tender the way I like it. In a different pot, just I'm going to use a different pot now. Just put it in the fire, and I'm going to drizzle some oil, about 3 to 4 tablespoons, and then I will add onions, stir it and let it cook until that softens. As you can see, my onions are now cooking nicely. Just need to leave them to cook until they are nice and soft. Stir occasionally so that your onions can evenly cook. My onions are now nice and soft, and I will now add the rest of the ingredients. I've got some garlic left, which I'll just add in now. And all my spices will now go in as well. I've got a bit of chili there, and my pilau spices. I've crushed about 2 spoons of pilau. Oh, that smells lovely. And now I'll just add the potatoes. I'll start in the potatoes. And let the potatoes just cook for a few minutes. Not long. Next, just take the meat with the broth and just add into the potato and the spices. There you go. Just put everything inside of it. Okay, just tight. I'm gonna bring the fire up because I want it to boil. And also here I'll just check, I'll add my seasoning, add some salt. And then I'll just check, test to see how the seasoning is good. Just want to show you how this looks. It looks delicious even before I add all the ingredients. My broth is now boiling. Now I'm going to add the rice. I'm using brown basmati rice. You can use any rice, whichever you choose. For the water measurement, it's 2 to 1. That's 2 cups of water to 1 cup of rice. So I've got 2 cups of rice here. So my water ratio is 2 cups of water, 4 cups of water to 2 cups of rice. So just get it all out. Okay, stir it in nicely. Then bring the fire low, cover, and just simmer it for about 20 minutes.